Are you putting off going to the dentist because of paralyzing fear or a bad past dental experience? Are you searching for a dental miracle, but fear is holding you back? If this sounds familiar to you, then I'm here to tell you that there is hope. Often, when someone confesses that they haven't seen a dentist in years and years, they'll also tell you about a bad dentist or a bad dental experience that started it all. I have my own horror stories to tell you. But have you ever had any of the following painful problems? Have you ever experienced really painful shots? Have you ever had your teeth drilled on with no anesthesia or had shots that didn't numb your teeth? Ever been stone cold sober through a nerve-wracking dental appointment with clammy, sweaty, shaky hands and with your cold soaked shirt clinging to your back? Does your jaw become tight and sore for days after having always open wider? Have you ever put off needed dental work because the thought of a painful dental appointment tied your stomach in knots? Have you ever thought, with all of the advances in modern medicine and dentistry, there must be a way to get my teeth fixed without pain and nerve-shattering stress? There's a great new discovery that makes your dental visits calm and comfortable. It's the miracle of sedation dentistry. There is a remarkable dental medicine which is now available in the U.S. for use by dentists. It is a special pill that you can take which, when given and monitored by our experienced staff, will make certain that you're relaxed and completely comfortable. In fact, many patients treated with sedation dentistry feel no discomfort whatsoever during and after treatments and have little or no memory of the visit. A sign of hope. Imagine not being afraid to go to the dentist. Imagine being able to accomplish all your dental care in as little as 1 or 2 appointments. This is what sedation dentistry can do for you. You'll be able to smile with confidence and chew your food comfortably. If you've been putting off years of dental work, sedation dentistry can change your life. Other benefits that you can enjoy: sedation dentistry allows you to come in and sleep through your dental care. You can get the work of 4 visits accomplished in only 1 because you're sleeping. Save yourself fear, anxiety, and time. Experience anxiety-free, comfortable dentistry and stop risking your dental health. Plus, there are many more benefits. So if having strong and healthy teeth is so important, why aren't you taking care of it? Most of the time, it's because of fear or that you didn't even know that you now have options available. The goal of the website is to help you find the answers to your most pressing questions and show you what options are available to achieve your dream smile. If you have questions, our trained staff is happy and eager to help you. Go to the website now and enjoy.